Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you some new ways to customize your Google Forms. Google announced this last week and it's now rolled out to just about every user. So you can do this with an existing Google form or a new Google form. I'm going to use one of my existing ones, my office hours sign up form. And let's go up here to the Customize Theme option. And you'll notice that there are new text styling options over here. So not only can I change the color scheme of my sign up form, including my background, or add a header, but now I can change that header font. And you'll see that all those fonts that you might have imported in Google Docs or in Google Slides are now available to you. So I used Rock Salt for my header. And my questions, well, for my questions, I might want to use, I don't know, Times New Roman. Or let's say we want to change that out and use that Lexan Deca font, make that medium, and make it a little bit larger. There we go. And let's change out our text and use some other ones down here, like the Walter Turncoat font style. And we'll make that 12 point. So that's how you can now customize the theme of your Google Forms. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.